What's up, it's Phil from Third World Exposed. In today's quick episode, I'm going to be showing you guys a wrist roller alternative that you could do at pretty much any gym. So I'm going to show you guys the setup. All you're going to need is a band and a rack and a bar. So once you have these things, get right going. As you can see, we've got the loading pin with some weight. This is completely optional. If you don't have access to this, you could just put a dumbbell and we'll show you that after. Okay, so all you do is you take the band, very simple. You're going to place it on top of the bar. Once you do that, you're going to take one end, you're going to stick it through the hole, and then you pull, like so. Now, we're going to take this part of the band, and you're going to loop it to your weight. So as you can see, I'm going to stand right in front of it. And right now, I could roll all day long, nothing's going to happen. So what you have to do is you have to basically push the band like so. So now there's a bit of tension, right? So now it's starting to pull. So now as I pull a bit, now the weight is lifted from the floor. So from here, all you're going to do is you're going to do a wrist curl. You want to flex your forearm really hard at the top. Lower it under control. You don't want to touch the floor because we're trying to keep constant tension on the forearm. So once it's like an inch from the floor, you keep going. And these are a really good forearm finisher. Okay, so that's how you train the flexors, but if you want to train the extensors, which is the upper part of the forearm, you simply take the band and you reverse it. Stand in the same position. You're going to put it up just a little bit. So now it's the exact same motion, except doing wrist extension, which is actually harder because your wrists aren't as strong in the extension position. So you might not be able to use as much weight on this variation, but it's great for hypertrophying the upper part of your forearm.
So if you don't have a loading pin, there is an alternative. All you will require is a plate and a band. Shove it through, pull it by both ends. Now just shove it in this way, and then pull till it tightens. That's step one. Step two, attach it to the sleeves. We got it on. Now if you try doing the exercise here, nothing's going to happen. So what you have to do is grab here and simply loop it up over. Now there's tension. So when you start doing the exercise, it'll just get tighter and tighter. So this is if you want wrist flexion. If you want wrist extension, you can do it the other way around, and you'll be just fine. So you can slowly lower it. The benefit is that this is a 2-inch handle, and you can't go wrong. Very, very smooth stuff. Throw this at the end of your workout. I think you're going to enjoy it very much.